Spectacular Sparky!
Sparky, you little hellion. I got work.
Why, if it
My beauty.
I'm Ollie.
There's this. Yas, right?
It's red.
You get the.
Sheg, this could be the start.
What a fine day for intergalactic bounty hunting it is. Hi, I'm DJ Cosmosis, and you're listening to Tutor E, bringing you all the best. Everybody knows about jumping, but if you think happy thoughts and keep tapping the jump button. Any bounty hunter knows a blaster cooperates best when you hold down the fire button, but things can get too hot to handle if you're too trigger happy. I have no feeling left in my hands. Watch your heat meter. The essential dash maneuver. Hit the dash button and you'll zip past all of your responsibilities. It takes a lot of energy to be this dashing, mind, so watch that stamina meter. Tutor ELFM is brought to you by Easy Bust Armor. The more you have, the less it hurts. It ain't brain science. Armor degrades with every hit you take, so keep yourself topped up. Tutor ELFM is brought to you by Easy Bust Armor. The more you have, the less it hurts. It ain't brain science. Armor degrades with every hit you take, so keep yourself topped up. Blaster has count them, two ammo slots. You can switch your current ammo type with the weapon swap button. Tired of running around when all you want to do is shoot diagonally? Why don't you just hold the aim button, you flippin' idiot?
Or maybe you want to walk backwards while shooting forwards? You absolute mad lad! Use the aim lock button to lock your aim and move around.
Sometimes you've been listening.
Dusty, don't. Dusty, no.
Wait.
Dusty.
Gotcha.
Dusty.